Front continues to move south and east throughout the day today. So showing you that with Stormcast. Again, no precipitation expected through the morning or throughout the day today. Again, clear skies, should see a lot more sunshine, but that does change as we go into Saturday and Saturday morning. You'll see a band across northern Nebraska that'll start first, and then a heavier band looking to settle in too in western portions of Nebraska. This kind of continues to form across northeast Nebraska, northern Nebraska, north of I-80, kind of affecting North Platte and some of these areas just a little bit west of there as well. But it's north Nebraska has the best chance for accumulating snow. This looks to be a heavy wet snow from what the atmosphere is looking to give us. Here in southeast Nebraska, chances for a mixture first, I think, and especially throughout the afternoon. You'll see we kind of get a break by Saturday night before things start up again overnight and into Sunday. This is all expected to transition into snow on Sunday, and look at that, a heavier band actually looking to settle in southeast Nebraska. There have been a few model runs that are hinting at this, so with that, expect some snowflakes to be flying. I wouldn't be surprised if we see our first flakes of the season throughout this weekend for many of us. And talking about that, some accumulating snow for a lot of us too. Tweak the forecast from what Rusty was talking about last night just a little bit, expecting some higher totals, especially in and around north and central portions of Nebraska. 4 to 6 could be possible in this area, 2 to 4 for a lot of northern Nebraskas as we go throughout this forecast. But Lincoln, about trace to an inch with more rain expected to mix in, especially through the first half of this. But again, that swath of heavier band of snow that could work its way in southeast Nebraska, that'll be something that we'll have to watch out for. You see that on the radar, you expect a little bit higher totals, maybe from about 1 to 2 inches. So that's kind of what we're looking at through this weekend. Cold air settling in too, and our first hard freeze of the season as soon as Saturday morning too. We'll drop down in the teens by Monday morning. Halloween looks to be a cooler forecast too, with temperatures struggling to get to 40 degrees throughout the day today under clear skies. So bundle up the little ones this morning, also for Halloween, and then we'll slowly warm back up into the 50s and 60s too. So it's good that the air isn't this cold for very long. We are going to see fall kind of come back in the 50s and 60s eventually.
From shorts and a t-shirt last weekend to, hats, hoodies, everything in between to stay warm this weekend for the Husker game, right?
Even yesterday, it got to 75 degrees yesterday. I think I was ready to start wearing a t-shirt again, and then this morning